Hello, my name is Adam Kirking. I'm a Director of Operations with Imperium Health. I'm excited to be here with you today to discuss two portals that will let you take advantage of the claims data that Medicare provides to the ACO. Through those portals, you'll be able to learn a little bit more about your patients, improve care coordination, and help the ACO to be more successful. Those two portals are ACO Health Solutions and a new tool called CareDirect. We'll provide an overview of both systems, review how to navigate the platforms, and offer a few tips to help you maximize CareDirect. To get started, both platforms are going to be populated using claims data that Medicare provides to the ACO. That data is going to be about patients that are attributed or assigned to the ACO, and both are going to be ways to turn all of that data into usable information or usable nuggets that you can use to help better coordinate care for your patients. ACO Health Solutions is the tool that we're probably most familiar with because it's what we're going to use to track quality and turn our quality into Medicare. It does also contain a few really useful reports for improving some care coordination initiatives as well. CareDirect has a series of actionable lists focused on utilization, risk, and care coordination. It's really designed to take advantage of that claims data by providing some additional cost and utilization statistics as well. ACO Health Solutions is the tool that most of us are probably familiar with from reports and that quality registry section that we're going to use to get ready for the G-Pro. For those of us that are not as familiar with ACO Health Solutions, Google Chrome is really the preferred web browser, the best way to navigate the system. You likely received an email from support@ACO Health Solutions when you initially set up your account, but if you ever need trouble getting your password reset or getting your account reset, please contact an Imperium Health team member. We'll be happy to help. When you're navigating ACO Health Solutions, I would always promote the hover to discover method. And anytime you can turn a cursor into a hand or click on a horizontal facing arrow to turn it into a downward diagonal facing arrow, you're going to be able to see a little bit more information for yourself. Again, the whole value of all of this claims data is how actionable can we make it for you. And ACO Health Solutions is a great way to take advantage of all of that claims data to improve our care coordination efforts and maximize our quality. One of the best things about ACO Health Solutions is the ability to export that information onto your computer. Anytime you see a disk, whether it's in the Patients, G-Pro, Quality Registry section, or the Report section, that's a great way to export that list into an Excel file, Word document, PDF, or even a PowerPoint presentation for yourself. ACO Health Solutions provides some nifty reports that will let you improve the care coordination on your patients. Those reports are going to be populated by monthly claims data that the ACO receives from Medicare. CareDirect is the new tool that we're excited to offer you. CareDirect is published by a company called CareJourney. So you'll sometimes see the words CareDirect or CareJourney used slightly interchangeably. We're really referring to this CareDirect portal that offers those actionable lists for yourself. When you're logging onto CareDirect for the first time, Google Chrome is really the preferred web browser. Similar to ACO Health Solutions, if you don't have access to Google Chrome, try and get the most current version of Internet Explorer. If you ever need help getting your password reset, please contact an Imperium Health team member. The initial passwords and usernames are going to be sent out by an Imperium Health team member and emailed to you. And as a reminder, the passwords and usernames are going to be pretty case sensitive, so just make sure that when you're entering that information that you're understanding how sensitive the case might be. When you're navigating ACO Health Solutions, look for those manila folders on the left side of the screen. When you open up the folders, you'll be able to see additional reports that will help you to improve the care coordination on your patients, as well as take advantage of all that data provided to the ACO. Anytime you see a cursor turn into a hand, that's going to be a cue for you to be able to click on something that will let you see a bit more information. When you're using CareDirect, there's a few layout or other nuanced things that I want to make sure we review today. First is that when you're reviewing reports within CareDirect, always check on the date range. Now you cannot adjust the date range, but it's very important to make sure that we know what data we're looking at. The idea of being completed versus rolling is that sometimes we don't have all of the bills paid quite as timely as we hope, but the platform is set up to be able to show the most current information that we do have available to us. For many of us, we'll have the opportunity to select either multiple PCPs or multiple practices. You can use the drop-downs associated with the PCP practice or attributed provider drop-down to select which providers that you'd like to see information on. On the right side of the screen, and one got cut off but it would have been on the bottom, there's two scroll bars that'll let you navigate left to right or top to bottom to see a little bit more information on the reports that are available to you. And as great as it is to navigate those reports on the screen, it's oftentimes more useful for us to be able to export from the web platform either onto a PDF or into a CSV, which is going to be comparable to an Excel sheet. So if you are interested in exporting any of the reports for yourself, click those blue Export to CSV or Export to PDF links. When you click either one of those links, you're going to see a light blue bar pop up across the center of your screen. When that blue bar pops up, it'll first say the word exporting. It'll say exporting for just a few seconds before it turns into your export is ready to download. Once it does that, click the blue download button or download link for yourself, and you'll be able to download, manipulate, or print that information to be able to act on it right away. There are a few nuances to some of the CareDirect reports, and we'll quickly review those to make sure that you feel as comfortable with the information presented as possible. First, all of the reports are only going to show living patients that have not opted out of any ACO data sharing. The home health report is going to show patients that we believe are receiving home health services based on the claims available to us. The SNF report is going to show patients that have been already discharged from a skilled nursing facility. The inpatient admissions and ER visits reports are going to show admissions and ER visits in the last 12 months. And the annual wellness visit report is going to show all patients, but it's only going to list dates of annual wellness visits if they've occurred within the last 12 months. If you have any comments or questions about ACO Health Solutions or CareDirect, please contact us at info@imperiumhlth.com. Again, my name was Adam from Imperium Health. Thank you very much for your time, and I hope you enjoy both platforms as a way to learn a little bit more about your patients and improve their health.